Hi everyone, welcome back to Faith and Flower. I'm Robin. In today's video, I am showing you what I wore this week, or a week of outfits from my 10-item capsule wardrobe. The 10-item capsule wardrobe is a concept that was created by Jennifer L. Scott. If you're not familiar with it, I will have all of her information in the description box below so you can learn more. And I will also have my 10-item wardrobe playlist so you can check out my full wardrobe from this summer season and from past seasons as well. So I have been inspired to work on switching up the looks with my different pieces this summer. I mentioned in a previous video that I tend to add a few more than 10 core items into my wardrobe for the summer because I feel like I don't have all the accessories readily available to play with like I do in the other seasons. I don't have sweaters, jackets, scarves, those sorts of things, and I tend to really like minimal jewelry in the summertime too. But I was inspired by Jennifer to play around a little bit with some of my looks in new ways, so make sure you watch throughout the video to see what I've done. So let's get started and I will show you what I wore this week. For my first outfit this week, I'm actually showing you a new piece that I'm bringing into my summer 10-item wardrobe. I had already stretched my 10 items to about 12 or 13, I believe, and so this might make 14. But I think that it is important to have a range and not to hold yourself too tight to that 10 number. So for me, I think, and Jennifer said as well, I think between 10 and 15 feels right. And many times, especially during the winter and the fall months, the cooler months, I can get away with the 10 or even 9 items because I have a lot more accessories to work with. But in the warmer months, it feels better to have a few more items. I have to wash things a little bit more because it's hot and all of that. So I brought in another item and I don't feel guilty about it at all. As a matter of fact, at first I was going to swap out my white shorts for these white jeans that I just got from Boden. So I had mentioned also in my video previously how I didn't think that a pair of white jeans was going to work for me in my 10-item wardrobe in the summertime, that it'd be too hot, and so I was opting for the shorts, which I thought was a cooler alternative. And while shorts are a little bit cooler, these jeans from Boden I have found to be very comfortable. And I have to say, I feel a lot more current when I wear them. I feel that it's a little bit more of a youthful look, and I'll show you and compare and contrast a couple of things throughout the week to show you the difference and how I've been wearing them. These are the Mom Mercer style jeans from Boden in the color Blanco or white. They are 98% cotton and 2% elastane for a super comfortable fit. They're made of a soft twill denim, which is perfect for the warmer weather. It's thin and comfortable, but not so thin that it's see-through. The mom jean is Boden's high-rise style, so they have a rise of 10¼ inches. I love this style. I'm glad that it's back. We've all had issues with the lower rise muffin top, and this totally eliminates that. And the amount of stretch in these jeans is perfect. I've had jeans in the past that when they stretch out, they start to get baggy in the seat, and that is not a flattering look. I did not find that with these at all. I ordered my true size, and when I first received them, I was a little concerned that they might be too tight. But after wearing them for just an hour or so, they stretched out in all the right places and in none of the places where I didn't want them to. If you're in the market for a pair of white jeans or any other jeans to complete your wardrobe for this season, then definitely check out Boden. I will have these specific jeans linked in the description box along with my affiliate link for you to check out their other styles as well. I'm really having a lot of fun styling these jeans, and of course most of the tops that I have in my wardrobe for this season work perfectly with them. White jeans were really popular in the spring, still are now that we're here in the summertime, and it looks like they are going to continue to be on trend throughout the fall and winter. So I'm looking forward to finding new ways to style them in the cooler months as well. So today I am wearing this print tunic top, and I'm showing you how I have it really unstyled, just as is, with a pair of white jeans. And while I like this look, it's very cool for the summertime. I love this sleeveless top. It's flowy and comfortable. It just doesn't do a lot for my shape. As a matter of fact, I feel like it really emphasizes the hip area, and I found that even more so when I wore it with white shorts. So switching over to the white jeans helps, but then I discovered if I tied it at the waist and styled it this way, it looked even better, or at least I feel that it does. I feel that it gives it the extra style points to make it look just a little bit more current, a little bit more youthful, and it gives my body a little bit more shape. And I still can have coverage in the back area if I wear it like this, because this tunic is a very stretchy material. So while I am spending most of my time at home, as are a lot of you, footwear isn't even really an issue. If I go out, I'll wear a nice pair of sandals or sneakers or something like that, but when I'm home, I am almost always wearing my ootd slides. These are really comfortable, especially in the summertime. And I also have a pair of flip-flops, and I reserve both of those for wearing in my home so that I'm not bringing dirt from the outside in. I've always done that. I feel like it's a great sort of housekeeping and homemaking tip too, because it really does cut down on how dirty your floors get. But I just find it to be more comfortable and practical while I'm at home. So this is what I wore today. Today's outfit is just a simple dress. It's my cotton jersey dress from Land's End. So I have two of these. I have this one in the sea glass print, and then I also have a navy dot, and I have that one here to show you. There are a couple reasons why I haven't been wearing this dress maybe as often as I would otherwise, and it's this crisscross feature in the front. So I actually talked with Jennifer, because she has this same dress, before I bought it, and she warned me that this does tend to gape open and that you'll need to wear some sort of little camisole underneath it. So she wears these demi camisoles. I got those and they're great. So if you have an issue like that, I'll have those linked below. The navy one seems to be tighter, and while it is, you know, a little bit low at times, this one was really gaping open. And so I recently just decided to go ahead and hand sew it closed. And so now I'm wearing it so much more comfortably and with more confidence, and I'm starting to enjoy this dress again. It is a great summer dress. The print is so, you know, airy and fresh, and it's the cotton jersey, so it's comfortable and breathable. This fit and flare style looks good on pretty much any body type, and it's just an easy breezy summer dress to wear, and this way I don't have to wear anything extra underneath on those hot summer days. Jennifer also got me thinking about this dress, because she has found some really cute ways to style hers. She has some crop tops and different ways that she can, you know, change up the look, make it look like a top and a skirt, and I thought it was so cute. But instead of buying something, I decided to shop my closet, and I have something in my 10-item wardrobe already that I can use with this dress and the navy dot that looks really cute, and I'm going to show you that now. This blouse is from Chico's, and I got it last season. I don't think it's still available, but you can find shirts like this. They're so basic from multiple places. It is just a very lightweight, plain button-down blouse. It's got tab sleeves, which I really like that feature. And the way that I'm wearing it here tied up with this dress is just really cute. It gives me options to style this differently. It gives my dress different options to style. You could do this with a chambray shirt. I have one that I've used in the fall season that I could easily put with this as well. And the little crop tops that Jennifer has that she wears with hers are adorable too. So I'll have her recent video linked below so you can check those out. And I'm just really happy to have found a new way to style this. So this is what I'm wearing today. Today's outfit is my gingham dress from Draper James. I have been enjoying this dress so much. I love the cap sleeves and the midi length. It's a polyester material, but it's very light. It doesn't cling, so it keeps me cool. And I also love the keyhole neckline because it has enough interest around the neck area that I don't need to wear a necklace. And as you probably know, I'm all about very minimal, understated jewelry, especially in the summer months, because I feel that anything heavier than that just makes makes me hot. So on my feet today, I am wearing flip-flops. These are from Vionic, and they are another pair of sort of house shoes that I enjoy wearing when I'm staying at home. So I love a dress like this. I love that it doesn't require any extras to make it look styled. It just looks great all on its own, and to me, that's the perfect summer dress. So that is what I'm wearing today. Today I am wearing one of my cotton jersey dresses from Boden. This one's been in my collection for a couple of years and I still love it. I have a tendency just to wear it all by itself, which is fine because that's what I really love about a good summer dress. It's just one and done, simple and easy. But in order to switch up the look a little bit, I pulled out one of these cardigan sweaters. It's cropped, it's got a little bit of a puff sleeve, and I think it looks really cute with this dress, and it really changes up the look. I bought another one of these in gray. I have them in my Amazon store, and I'll have all of these things linked in the description box below. But it's something that I bought at the end of winter so that I could start wearing some of my spring and summer dresses. And on the cooler days, I could wear something like this for a little added warmth. And I was inspired by Jennifer to switch up the look of my dresses a little bit and play around with these sort of crop tops. And this works great with this dress, and I think it does give it a totally different look. So this is what I've got on today, along with these little earrings from Ana Luisa. These probably are my favorite earrings right now. I wear them all the time, and they are the perfect understated piece for summer. Just enough, but nothing overpowering, and very comfortable and cool. And of course, I'm staying home today, so I'm just wearing my slides, and this was the outfit for today. For today's outfit, I decided to try pairing this white t-shirt with the French detail on the sleeve with my white jeans. This sort of monochromatic look is very popular. I've seen a lot of different colors done this way on Pinterest, and I thought, why not white for summer? I am going to run a couple errands today, so I put on my sandals from Clark's in this nude color. It's sort of a wedge espadrille type heel, and I think it completes this outfit really well. And as I said earlier in the week, I don't normally like to wear a lot of jewelry, but I think these earrings really complement this outfit. And I styled the shirt in a sort of French half tuck, so I still have a little bit of coverage in the back. It's cool and comfortable, and I'm liking this new look, so I think I'm gonna try this again. This is what I'm wearing today. Today we planned a walk with some friends in one of our state parks close by, so I'm just dressing very casually and comfortably to spend some time outside. So I've got on this simple black t-shirt. This came from Target a couple seasons back, but they always have this kind of thing there. And then the shorts are from Land's End, and they're this stone color or khaki, I can't remember what they call it, but just that neutral khaki color that goes with just about everything. And I've enjoyed these shorts so much this summer. And on my feet, I have some comfortable walking shoes. I've got minimal jewelry, hair in a ponytail, and I'm ready to go. So this is what I'm wearing today. Today I am wearing this navy top from Ann Taylor. It's sort of a tunic. It has embroidered details on the sleeve and the neckline. It's got this ruffled 3/4 inch length sleeve, and I love this. I've had it for several seasons, and I kind of have it in a style rut where I only pair it with the white jeans or white shorts. So today I tried to switch it up a little bit and try it out with the chambray shorts that I have from Land's End, and I really like this look. It's sort of that monochromatic look that's really popular, and I feel like chambray is a neutral in the same way that jeans are. So anything that would look great with a pair of jeans, I think also looks really good with some chambray shorts for the summer. For today's jewelry, I'm just wearing some simple earrings from Ana Luisa and a matching necklace. I have my hair in sort of a half updo to beat the heat, and because I'm staying at home, I'm just wearing my okabashi slides. So that's what I'm wearing today. This is the last outfit for the week, and I'm wearing my white button-down tab sleeve shirt from Chico's along with my chambray shorts from Land's End. I really love this combination and I wear it like this quite a bit, but today I tried to switch it up a little bit with tucking it in and adding a belt. As I showed you earlier, I've really been enjoying this blouse. It's so versatile. I think everybody really could use a piece like this in their wardrobe. So I've been wearing it with my dresses, I've been wearing it with my shorts, and I think I'm gonna try it with those white jeans too. That is the outfit for today, and I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these looks this week. I hope that it gave you some inspiration for cultivating and styling your own capsule wardrobe or your summer wardrobe. If you liked it, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And if you're new here and you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe. I'd love to have you join our Faith and Flower community. Make sure you activate the bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching today. I love spending time with you. I'm looking forward to talking with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful week.